In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Shopify's store name and URL. If you want to update the name of your Shopify store, the process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Shopify dashboard without any confusion. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are on the main screen, look to the bottom left corner. You will see the settings option with a gear icon. Click on that to open your store settings area. This section is where Shopify keeps the main information and configuration options for your store. After the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From that sidebar, click Store Details. This page contains important information related to your store identity, including the name that appears across your admin and store settings. Now on the Store Details page, find the Profile section. In that area, you will see the field labeled Store Name. Click inside that text box. This is the field that controls your current store name. Next, remove the old store name that is already in the box. Then type in the new store name you want to use. Take a second here to make sure the spelling, capitalization, and formatting look exactly the way you want. This name helps represent your brand, so it is a good idea to double-check it before saving. Once you have entered the new name, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. After that, Shopify will update your store name. It is worth keeping in mind that changing your store name in this section updates the name used in your store details. But if you are also planning to change your store URL, that is handled separately in Shopify. So for this part, you are specifically updating the store name from the store details area. As a quick recap, open Settings from the bottom left corner, select Store Details from the left sidebar, find the Profile section, update the store name field, and click Save in the top right corner. That covers everything you need to know.